So excited, so excited, so excited. I just bought 2 of these. Oh my God, what are they? Let's have a look. What could this be? Look at the packaging, you guys. This is packaging. It's blown up. I've got to open it and have a quick look. But this could give you an idea. I have one in the car, but this thing is about to destroy it. Hey YouTube, Chucks here. Just picked up these Bluetooth Pro Sound Republic earbuds. Now they come with a heap of different sizes, come with a beautiful little bag that comes with it. And the battery life is said to be 4 hours on these, which is good if you're going for a run, if you're doing something, if you're using them for different things. So they look pretty good. I'm pretty happy with them. Now they come with a charger cable, and that's pretty handy. So there's your USB charger cable connection, and yeah, we'll give it a try. So there's the buttons for on off, let's say. So you press them to turn them on. I'm not sure. Oh well, there's one on the side, so that would be your turn on button, and then you've got your volume underneath. And they hook around your ears. Now what I'm planning on doing with these, and I know a lot of you guys have mixed thoughts. I've got electronics and my other hobby, which is detecting. I'm going to use these on my detector because I've made up a wireless Bluetooth system to plug into any of the 3000s up to the 5000 model GPX. So that, and it works pretty good. It's got really good sensitivity. So I've made 2 up. I've made a spare battery for each at the moment, and they will be, if it works, I'll put up something to go through it all with you and how to build them. I'm not going to build, I can build them, but I'm not going to make money out of it. I'm just going to put it on the YouTube channel. Okay, catch you on the next one. This is a really short one. I've got some really good stuff coming, and I'd like to thank all my 1,200 subscribers. It's I really appreciate you all. I really appreciate the comments. One of the guys the other day on the channel, I think it was Mike, he put a really big thing on how to fix your caravan gas heater. I really appreciated that. And Brett, I really appreciate you as well. There's a lot of you guys out there. Ben, he seems to put up a lot of stuff as well. So if you'd like to leave me a comment, I always respond, and it's great to hear from you guys. Okay, well, thanks, and I'll catch you on the next one.